Dear student, due to coronavirus, school started online classes for your study. So you can subscribe Golden Flower Palia YouTube channel, like and press the bell icon.
Hello everyone, welcome to online classes. This is chapter 5th of class 12th. This is the part 3rd of chapter 5th. The name of the chapter is file handling. In this video, we'll discuss today's topic append a file. Means how can we append the data in a text file. The append method in Python adds a single item to the existing list. It doesn't return a new list of item but will modify the original list by adding the item to the end of the list. After executing the method append on the list, the size of the list increase by 1. To append a file or append the data in a file, the syntax is written here. Here I have taken a variable a. It will open this file online.txt and it will open in a mode, means append mode. Then we'll write the data a.write. This is class 12th. Then the next line would be a.write golden flower. Print data appended. Then after a.close means file would be closed. After running the program, this will be the output. On the Python screen, it will show this one message data appended, and in the text file, this data will be shown. Welcome to online classes. This is class golden flower or whatever data is written there, right? Let's take the practical of this program. First of all, we'll create a text file, or directly we can run the program. For that, we'll go to IDLE. Now, new. Here I'll type the program. A equals to open, right, and name of the file is online.txt, right, and we'll open that file in append mode, means a. Then a dot write. Here the first line, this is class 12th, right, slash n for next line, and in next line we'll type here a dot write, then our school name, right, and for next line. Now we'll use print function data appended. Clear? This line is not compulsory, right? Then we'll close the file a dot, then bracket will be closed. Now we'll save the file in a particular location where we'll create a text file also. In class 12th, here I'll save the program append, right? Our program is saved. Now on the same location, we'll create a text file, right? Here I'll create a text file, new, then text document, and name of the file is online, right? Here we'll type a single line that will be welcome to online classes, right? And we'll save the file. After that, close this. Now we'll run the program, and after that line we have typed there, these line will be added. This is class 12th, then next line would be golden flower. Now I'll run the program. Data appended. Now I'll open the same location and go to this file, online, right? If you will see here, this line we have typed manually, welcome to online classes, and these line are appended by our Python program. Clear? Okay, so move to the next topic. Next topic is writing user input to the file. In this program, the file will be appended, but in this file, the file is used like a phone dictionary. Like, how can we save our contacts to the text file? Here, user will enter the name of the file, right? Then file will be open. Then while a equals to y, or capital Y or small letter y, till that program, this will not stop. For example, the output of the program is like this: enter your file name, that we'll type there golden.txt, then after we'll enter a name, then after we'll enter a mobile number, and when after entering the phone number, whenever we'll press enter, it will display the message contact is saved successfully. Then after it will also display one more message: if you want to save more contacts, press Y, else N. Means if you want to save more contacts in the same text list, then you have to press Y. If you don't want to save more contacts, then you have to press N for no. And for that, the syntax is written here. This is the syntax to create that kinds of files, right? Here we have used string function to take the input. Again, to save, here we'll use string function, right? So then we'll type here the program. For that, we'll go to the IDLE. Now new. Here we'll type the program. For example, a equals to y, right? Then n equals to input. Then here we'll type a message: enter your file name. Clear? Right? Then we'll open the file f, or we can type here file equals to open. Then this one we'll use here this variable n, comma, then we'll use here append function to append the file. Then we'll use here while loop. While a equals to y or capital Y, a equals to capital Y, right? then name equals to str means string. It will take input, then enter your name, right? Now next line, here we'll use num for numbers equals to number equals to str, then input, right? Enter your mobile number. Got it? Now we'll use write to write the data in same file. For that we'll use here file. For that we'll use here file dot write, then name. Okay. Then in next line we'll use this numbers. Before that we can use one more function, write function for the next line. That will be file dot write, and here we'll use a slash n. Clear? Now we'll use file dot write, then we'll use num. This one we'll use here num, right? Now we'll use file dot write, then slash n, bracket will be closed. Now we'll use print function, print to display the message contact saved successfully. Right? And after that we can also use here next line. Now again a equals to input, then we'll write a display message if you want to save more contacts, press Y, else N. Right? Then we'll close the file here. File dot close, and file would be closed. Now syntax is typed. Now we'll save the program. At the same location we'll save this program, save as, then desktop, then our programming folder. Here I'll type a dictionary name for the file. I'll write here dict dot py. Now our program is saved. Now I'll run the program. Now I'll run the program by pressing F5. Now we'll type here file name to save the context. For that I'll type here for example golden.txt. It will create a text file here, right? Then our file is created. Now we'll write the first name here. For example, I'll write here any name, Abhay. Now Abhay's mobile number, for example 9876543210, right? And after pressing the enter key, it will show the display message contact saved successfully. Now next, if you want to save more contacts, press Y, else N. Now if you want to save more contacts, then you have to press Y. Again it is asking enter your name. Now we'll enter the name here. That will be different name, for example Ram, right? Now mobile number of the person, for example that is anything we can type here. Now again I'll press enter. It will again display the message contact saved successfully. If you want to save more contacts, then press Y, else N. Means if you need to save more contacts, then you have to press Y, otherwise you have to press no. Now I'll press N. Now it will closed. Now we'll check the program. Now we'll check our text file, means the program is created that contacts or not. Okay, now here golden name file is created. Let's check there. Okay, so our contacts also save here. The first name we have typed there, Abhay. Now this is the mobile number of the Abhay. Next one was Ram. Then this is the mobile number of the Ram, right? So these was the topics in this video. Hope you have understand very nicely. If you have any query, you can visit our blog rambo.webs.com. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.